Hi, this is Jaden Wang, co-founder of Assets Prestige Alliance, and this is Asia Advisors Network.
Hi everyone, I'm Sharon. I'm from Asia Advisors Network, and today we have Jaden Wang. Jaden has 10 years experience in the insurance industry. He has personally mentored multiple successful consultants as well as 2 top rookie agency leaders. So what are some of the characteristics and personality traits of these successful agents that you've observed in the industry?
I think for those who want to become very successful in this industry, first they must have the hunger. Okay, they want to achieve something phenomenal. Okay, they want to do something that's very different, and they also want something that's meaningful in this career. Continuous learning is an attribute that we also look out for. People who want to always upskill themselves. A lot of people think that this industry must have finance background. Actually, no. This is a people's business. It's about communication. It's about getting this person to like you as a person, communicating to them what they need. So communication skills is more important.
Let's say I agree to join, but I'm very concerned with like remuneration, my salary. What's it like for your, how do I manage with my day-to-day life?
You have to first find a mentor that suits you, because I always believe different leaders, they have different coaching style. And you, as someone that's thinking of joining this industry, find someone that you can connect with. That today you're going to meet this person every single day. You must first like the person first. Once you find it, look at the agency culture, look at the people inside. Are you able to fit into it? Is it a positive culture? So these are the main 2 things that you should consider, because once you come in, okay, these are the 2 main factors that will decide whether do you do well in this industry. You'll be surprised, okay? 10 years ago, okay, we don't have pay package or allowance scheme. In the recent years, right, we actually have allowance. We also have a proper remuneration. And of course, for every product that a client takes out from you, you also get additional commission. So it's not like unstable, which actually this unstable income, so-called, when you do well in this industry, it could be more than what your stable income gives you. And over here, in terms of the achievement and the recognition, is really determined by yourself. And you get remunerated according to the effort that you put in. Of course, don't just focus on the income. There's this saying, right? I mean, if you take care of your clients, okay, the money, you'll take care by itself. Focus on the planning for the needs of the client first.
Could you explain more about the career progression if someone joins your industry?
First is the consultant path. For those who wants to just take care of their clients in the whole career over here, this is where every year they'll be focusing on servicing this client. Because financial planning is not like a one-time thing. It's every year we go back to our clients, do reviews, because their income could increase. They might have new family milestones. So as a consultant, that path, you just to take care of your clients in all these milestones all the way. And for some, they want to coach people. They want to mentor other consultants. That's where after they become a consultant for at least 2 years, they can look into what we call the leadership path. They can start to groom other consultants, okay, to be as successful as they are or even better. So when your team does well, you will also progress as a junior manager, as a manager, then senior manager, as a director. And you start to groom more and more people. You have multiple impacts into other families. Yeah, so there are 2 paths for you to choose.
For the first year, right, rookies who join the industry, what would be some of the most difficult challenges and obstacles for them to overcome?
You must be prepared to face a lot of people that will say no to you when you approach them. Maybe out of 5 rejection, there'll be 1 that says, I want to give you a chance. So be positive. That's why a mentor and a team environment is very important. When you're used to this emotional roller coaster, people actually becomes very mentally strong. It's like a cup of water, whether you see it as half full or half empty. So we got to always train our minds to be positive. Yeah, keep focusing on those that give you a chance. Second challenge is, of course, the family support. Some will tell you, hey, don't join, or because of prior bad experience. But like I shared, there will also be some that is very supportive. My family, fortunately, was very supportive. Yeah, because my neighbor was in this industry and he's doing well. So my mom said, hey, give it a shot. You never know how much you can achieve. That's why I give it a shot and I worked very hard in that 1 year. I took rejection. 2 to 3 years later, those that said no to you initially, they come back, and they become your client. So those that say no in the initial 1 year doesn't mean that 2 to 3 years later, it will still be the same no.
Do you have any last advice for people who want to join the industry but they're still a little bit hesitant and you have that little one push to convince them to join?
I would give an analogy. Okay, just like today, you are taking a bungee jumping. You want to do bungee jumping. You are at the edge, thinking whether to jump or not. There will be a lot of feelings in your stomach. Maybe not now. But let me tell you, take that leap of faith. Because once you take that leap of faith, okay, it's going to be a very thrilling and exciting jump for you. You never know until you give it a shot. This is my advice.
Okay.
Yeah, for those who are thinking of joining this industry.